People often ask me why I don't usually cook from recipes. I actually have a collection of cookbooks, but I mostly use them for inspiration or for instructions the first time I'm cooking something, rather than following the recipe exactly every time. For me, this works because I've learned a few basic principles that help me to throw meals together quickly without following a recipe. Of course, the food comes out a little differently each time, but for me, this makes cooking on a regular basis sustainable. In this course, we'll give you options. We'll include recipes and instructions, but we'll also show you how real chefs and real home cooks actually manage to keep cooking day after day, often without a recipe. We also all have different rules in the kitchen. Some of us cook our spices, while others sprinkle them on at the end. Some believe you should add a bit of oil to the pasta water, others don't. Remember that cooking is like art. There's really no right or wrong way of doing things as long as you enjoy what comes out at the end. So don't worry too much about the rules and let's get creative. This is the fun part.